Time is it's early, broke. I don't know what to do, man. I need some money in my pocket. Is that what you saying? Because today is self-made Saturdays. And if that's your problem, get up. Stick around to the end. I got something for you. Because today is self-made Saturdays. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave me a comment, and share it with a friend. Hey, it's your boy Bonte 3 for Successful Convicts. Just woke up this morning, got my lemon water, nothing but fresh squeezed lemon and some warm water. That's the breakfast of champions. So as I wake up, I look out the window, I see it snowed last night. Yeah, it snowed. We got about 2 inches last night. Look like it's raining now too. So, now I'm outside on a self-made Saturday. I'm looking around, seeing all this snow. Look at this snow. Look at this snow. What am I gonna do? One thing for sure, two things for certain. This snow gotta get up, right? So, I know that I gotta do my snow. Ding, light bulb. Make money shoveling other people's snow. Yes. Now you got the simplest of tools. You got, of course, the snow blower. You know, the gas snow blower. But if you break it down, you don't got it. You got the hand shovels. There you have it. Shovel driveway. Now, for real, driveway like mine, I don't know. If it wasn't my driveway, I probably would charge, because it's kind of wide. It's kind of wide. Get the side of the car, up to the street. I don't know, something like this. I probably would charge up to $50. But regardless of what you charge, because you can't put a price on a person's labor, it's money in your pocket. Hey, it's Bonte83, and back to self-made Saturday. So, you got the snow shoveling game, which can be implemented really easy because you can get a shovel. If you don't get one for free, you can get one for very cheap. I can't really say a price because it depends on the kind of shovel you want. You want the type of shovel that scrapes down to the concrete. You want the type of shovel that pushes the snow. You know, you got all types of shovels. So you want a real heavy duty shovel? Do you want plastic shovel, a metal shovel? It's all types of shovels. It depends on your preference, you know. Me personally, I like the shovels that get down to the ground where you can see the ground. The pusher shovels are cool too because here in Minnesota, we have a lot of snow. And sometimes you just want to push it out the way and then come back with that other shovel. You know what I'm saying? So this is a business that can really be started for very cheap. And I don't know how y'all grew up or how y'all hustle game is, but I know when we was coming up, that was the thing to do, to go door to door asking people did they want their snow shovel. And you know, we was kids, so we was doing it for like $10 for a house. But now, man, shoveling is up. Shoveling game is like $40, $50. Easy. So, I mean, you got to get out there and get your hustle. You know old Miss Johnson on the corner can't get out there and shovel that snow. She'll pay you. And what I'm learning is that a lot of people would prefer an adult do it compared to a kid because, you know, you like helping kids out, but kids a lot of times don't have that full understanding of what really is the task at hand. Like a kid, what's good enough to a kid is a lot of times not going to be good enough for an adult. So, yeah, you like to help the kids out, but at the same time, they want a job done right. And that's where you come in with the shovel hustle. And then, like I said, on a good snowstorm, you can get you a few houses and you can get enough money to buy you a snowblower. Where you get a snowblower from? You got Craigslist, you got Facebook Marketplace, you got things like OfferUp, you got your little neighborhood newspapers, you got going to little places, people that fix on lawnmowers. You got a lot of people that take these, like they'll take a broken snow blower for free because a lot of times people, they don't want to deal with it, so they just buy a new one. So they'll get the broken snow blower and they'll just fix it. Same thing with lawnmowers. So it's many avenues that you can use to get cheaper equipment until you work your way up to where you coming through with that snowblower. Like, hey, you want this driveway done? Then you get onto the contract jobs where, hey, I do, if you live in an area like mine, Minnesota, where when it snows, hit a person like, hey, hit them up for like $200 a month. That's $200 each month that they paying you to just come take care of the snow. It might weigh in on your side, might weigh in on their side. It might be a lot of snow and they getting it for cheap. Or it might be less snow and they paying a lot. But it's just all kind of ways you can go. But it's what I like to call pulling money out the air. Because all it takes is, well, you got to have a shovel at least. But it takes a lot of labor on your part. And your labor is kind of free, but it's up to you. So ain't no limit to how far you can take this. Here we go. All over again. Like it never was shoveled. And believe it or not, just got through shoveling maybe 2 hours ago. And it's all coming back again through the salt down right here. I know y'all looking at my glue traps. That's a whole nother story. But, it's gonna be a gap right here. There's gonna be a gap right here. As you can see the gap where the door goes down. And I'm kind of really terrified of critters, so I kind of keep those all around the garage. But this snow thing, like I said, starts out with a shovel. Your basic shovel. This is that shovel I was telling you. Gets down to the ground. This is a heavier one that gets down to the ground. And this is a pusher. As you see the handle, it's kind of, you can tell. And you see the hand right there, because when it's heavy, I got my buckets of salt. As you see, another glue trap behind the fridge. Then you step your game up to the gas snow thrower. This is a 2-stage, which is bigger, throws more snow, because you just seeing the driveway. You ain't even seeing the side of the driveway. It goes around. Snow all back there, they gotta be shoveled. Garbage cans, so the snow gotta be shoveled right there. And yeah, and in this neighborhood, basically this is how the houses is, because there's no sidewalks. So you got the driveway, and I don't know, you can see 2 cars right there, so you can imagine how long the driveway is. It's enough room for at least like 2 more cars, and that's like 4 cars long, maybe 3 cars wide, and everybody's driveway ain't this big, but It's a driveway. People usually come through their garage, or sometimes they come out their door and walk into their driveway. So they want all of this shoveled. And like I said, this is $50 easy. And then, like I said, you would have got it shoveled earlier. That would have been 50. And then you come back tomorrow morning, or whenever it stops snowing, because as you can see in the sky, it's still snowing. One thing about the snow means money. Oh, I got my glasses on, but there you have it. Business. Start from a shovel, work your way up to a truck with a shovel on the front of it. Then you push in lots. Next thing you know, you got a landscaping business. Start small, but think big. Bonte 83, Successful Convicts.